So you guys, this is my wooden table. As you can see, it has places that is starting to lose the paint from us using it, of course, eating on the table. Okay, so I did get uh, the markers, okay, to try to correct that and fill in. Okay, what you don't want to do is this. That's how I started out. And I know better because I've done it with the floors before. You can get the crayons or you can get the markers. So I got the markers. Probably should have got the other ones, but got the markers. So you don't want to do that. Okay. What you do want to do, because this is like a spot that I did here, you want to do more like that. So let's give it a try. So just try to do like one spot at a time, like here, and be ready to go like so fast because you have to wipe it. Like that one is not as good as the ones that I've done. You have to be fast. So hold on. Okay, so I need both of my hands. So you see the spot here? I'm going to do that spot. And I'm going to show you. You have to wipe it quickly. So yes, you have to come right back over it with the marker so that it does, with the paper towel, I'm sorry, so that it does not look, as intentional. And that one's not done that well, but you know what I mean. Just, you want to do it so that it doesn't look like you intentionally, were marking up the table. And this may not be the exact color either. I was trying to figure out which one. So this one is espresso. So this one is walnut. So let's try the walnut. The espresso is very dark. I think this one is a little better, but it doesn't even seem like it's really getting into those spots like the other one was. So the one that ended up being the best color for my table is the walnut. And I am getting some of it off. I love this little table so much because it just fits in this space so great. And the color just works so well with my room. So, of course, I just want to keep it. Don't know if you can see this one. This one is really close. I don't think you can see that. And also what you would hear with any wood, they tell you to go within the grain. So the direction that the grain is going with the wood, that's the way that you want to go. And what I mean is, you see how this is lateral, okay? So you don't want to put it on like this, vertical. Okay, you want to continue to put it on lateral. Okay. So as you can see, this area, which is looks like it needs more on the camera, but in person it looks much better than like this area here, because I use the espresso, and then this one that I'm using now, okay, is walnut. So the walnut is better than the espresso. You see here, espresso, that's not good. Okay. Okay, so I just learned something myself. I went back over that spot with the walnut, and it took that dark color like away, that dark little spot. So let's give it a try on this one and see what happens, okay? Yes, so it does work. As you can see, that spot did get lighter. Well, if I can zoom in, that spot did get lighter. So it's no longer dark right there in that spot or the other spot. Okay, so I have another spot here. Let's try this one. Now that one didn't seem like it worked too well. It's better than it was. It doesn't look like that, just a little spot like it did. Okay, I went back over with both hands. Okay, and now you cannot see it. You can't see that dark spot as much anymore. Okay, so you have to really get it off while it's wet. Don't let it dry at all. Like, you have to do it, time you do it, go back over it. So that's how you get it the other color, the lighter color. If you have to go back over it, there it is. So you're able to go back over it with the lighter color, wipe it very fast while it's still wet, and then it'll be lighter then. Okay, so I did go back over all of the spots that I had that were dark. As you can see, you don't see those dark spots as much anymore. So I did go back over it with the lighter color, and you cannot see those dark spots as much. I know the light is, see that light over there? That light is kind of taken away from the camera. But as you can see, it doesn't have those dark spots anymore. Now this is just a table. That's not a dark spot there. That's just a part of the table. But the dark spots that I had here, they're lighter. And then some of that is just, let's see. Yeah, some of it's from the paper towel that I was using. And like I said, in person, it looks on the camera like there are a lot of spots that need to be gone over, like here. But in person, you can't see that as well. So I can go over it, but you can't see it as well. So I'm holding the camera with one hand, and then the other hand, I have the marker. But I can't do it quickly unless I have both hands. So we see the spot here. I'm going to put something there so you know where we're working with, where we're working at anyway. Okay, see there? Okay, I'm going to do that spot, and then I'm going to come back for you to see it. Okay, so I just like went over that whole spot here. Okay, so it is better now. Okay, it's better than what it was. You don't see as much of the speckle look as if you see wood spots. So Takes two hands, guys. So make sure if you want to record your progress on what you're doing, do get you the stand, the camera stand, so that you can put your phone or your camera on, because it does take two hands because you have to be quick. When it's wet, you have to get it off while it's wet. Okay. All right, you guys. So the markers do work. You can get the crayons as well, but those markers do work. And like I said, these are the ones that I did get. So they're the Rejuvenate. Yep. Okay. And it's for wood, furniture, and floor repair. So they work pretty great. I've used them on the hardwood floors as well, but you do have to make sure that you choose the right color. Just like you saw today where I didn't choose the right color in the beginning. And when I went back over it with the lighter color, it did take away those dark stains. But do it quickly. Let me know what you think.